Hi, thank you very much for being here. Today in this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to unfulfill an order on Shopify. Here is the admin panel of your Shopify and you have to click the orders. Here will be the list of all orders and here is a one order in my case who is fulfilled and I'm going to unfulfill this order. Click this. Here we go. Now here is the detail of this order. You have to click this three dot button and here you will find a cancel fulfillment. You have to click this. The job done. Thank you very much for watching this short tutorial. Keep watching the next one.